Good morning students. Now we will continue exponent and radicals chapter 3. So that time we were learning worksheet 2. We will continue worksheet 2. So see this side worksheet 2, this is question number 2. Some questions already I have explained of this question 2. One more question I am solving. You see this is also different type. Ninth question. Question number 2 of worksheet 2, ninth question. 36 to the power 7 upon 2 minus 36 to the power 9 upon 2 upon 36 to the power 5 upon 2. As earlier I have told, whenever the power is in fraction, so whatever this denominator of this fraction 2, so definitely it is possible to convert into power 2 form. This 36 is possible to convert into power 2 form. So you can see this is the power of 6 square. So 6 square into 7 upon 2. So all the places instead of 36 we will write 6 square. You can see here 6 square. So this next time this 2 cancel, because power to the power means this will be multiplied. So 2 into 7 upon 2 cancel 7. Similarly here 2 cancel 9. Here 2 multiplied by 5 upon 2 cancel 5. So this is the result of this expression, 6 to the power 7 minus 6 to the power 9 upon 6 to the power 5. So now see here, as we know this 6 to the power 7 minus 6 to the power 9 we can't solve, because in between negative sign is there. So when it is negative sign there is no law of exponent. So we will solve like this type, separately it is possible. 6 to the power 7 upon 6 to the power 5, because this is divisible for this both expression. So this will be divided by this and this will be divided by this. So see here. Now here by the law of exponent, 6 to the power 7 divided by 6 to the power 5 means 6 to the power 7 minus 5. And here 6 to the power 9 minus 5, because this is division sign. And after solution this 6 square minus 6 to the power 4. And this 6 square will become 36, 6 to the power 4 will become 1296, and after subtraction this is the answer of this question. Rest question like this you will solve rest questions. Now question number 3, evaluate. Here decimal questions are given. There are 4 questions given. Out of these 4, one I am solving. So whenever decimal given and you have, this is a question of power. So first of all you will remove this decimal. So we know that how to remove decimal. Here after decimal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 decimal places. So this will become 3125, means we will remove decimal and in denominator we will put 50. So 3125 divided by this 1000 by 5 times. And you can see here power is minus 2 upon 5. So this is 5. So definitely this is possible to convert into the some numbers in the power of 5. So this is the 5 to the power 5 and this is the 10 to the power 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 10 to the power 5. And when by prime factorization, when you will solve, you will get 5 to the power 5. So 5 upon 10 whole to the power 5, and this is also minus 2 upon 5 is outside. And power to the power means this will be multiplied. So after cutting this both, 5 upon 10 to the power minus 2 left. And you know that by the law, if we want to make it positive, so what will become? We will write it's a reciprocal. So this will become 10 upon 5 to the power 2. So 10 upon 5 2 times multiplied, so it will become 100 upon 25. And after cutting it will become 4. So this is the answer. Now solution number 4, you see, one I am solving. There are here also 4 questions. Third I am solving. 17 square minus 8 square whole to the power 1 upon 2. Now you are thinking, can we apply here any law? What we have learned like this type, 5 square multiplied by 5 to the power 3 is equal to 5 to the power 2 plus 3. Such type we have learned. But you see here negative is there. So for this in between negative sign is there is no law. For negative and positive there is no law. So we will solve by as usual method. So this will become 17 square will 289 and 8 square will become 64. 289 minus 64, this will become 225, and outside it is 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2. So this is 1 upon 2 matlab means this is possible to convert in the power form, power 2. So this is the 15 square. 2 cancelled, so this is the answer is 15.